Hey y'all, I'm back with some human hair drip from a company that I have worked with many times before, and that's BGMgirl hair. And y'all know how we do human hair on this channel. Before I vouch for a company, before I tell you to run out and buy from a human hair company specifically, I have to try hair from them 3 or 4 times to make sure they're good. Once they're vetted, we add them to our rotation. BGMgirl has definitely fit that mold. Y'all, there have been some companies that were trash. I told you it was trash, and we never worked with them again. Okay, so I do recommend them. If you look in the description box, I put a direct link to this unit as well as the details. Okay, all I did was take it out the shipping packaging because, sorry y'all, I need my energy because I like to do everything on camera with y'all. So it came in the shipping packaging, and it came in this little clear bag with their branding on the side. I don't know if y'all can see that, which is cute for storage options. And then it comes in this cardboard box with their branding as well, and then their social medias on the back. Let's look at the wig, okay? Outside of the wig, they did send us a few extras. We have a silk storage sack with their branding on it as well. And on the inside of the sack, let's see what else we got, y'all. We have some eyelashes, which are cute. We have an edge band with their branding on it. We have an edge brush and comb. We have 2 packs of stocking caps, some HD stocking caps and some regular wig caps, 2 different shapes, which I can appreciate that. We have, I think this is just the info card. Yeah, this is a care card with their branding on it. Some TikTok, like maybe you can earn a little coin if you go share on their TikTok, which is cool. And we have a bonnet with their branding on it as well. So those little extras matter to me because, like I always tell y'all, buying human hair is investing in yourself, aka spending some coin. So maybe that little edge comb will make you feel better as you click submit cart. All right, so the wig that I ordered, because I can't remember, is straight and it's 12 inches long. I remember I was on a kick when I was ordering hair of getting some shorter styles because y'all know I live in the South and it is already hot, so we wanted something short and we want something easy. And I can look at this wig and tell that things have been pre-done for me. Look, before I even take it out of that shipping packaging, we got pre-plucked here. There's nothing to cut off. Y'all, pre-bleached. And that's just still with the packaging on the inside. So let's take the packaging out and see what we working with, y'all. Okay. Y'all look at that. Straight out of the pack. This is gonna be super easy. Let's look at the cap construction. Okay, you get quite a bit of parting space. Like I said, look in that description box and you'll see you get combs here to the right, a comb to the left, and a comb in the back with adjustable straps. But the thing to write home about these combs, because that's a preference. Some people like combs, some people don't. They are removable. The combs here on the back and the combs here on the side, they are removable. You just slide it out of that thing, which is cool. Then they have the elastic band, which makes this wig completely glueless. So BGMgirl really thought this out as they constructed this wig. All right. So before I start styling it, because y'all know I can't really comb hair, but before I start styling this, let's put it on my head to see what it looks like straight out of the pack. Y'all hear that rain? It is storming here. Oh, y'all, yep. That's gonna be cute. Straight out of the pack, y'all. Hey, and because you get all this parting space, you can part it over to the left, you can part it to the right. So for a beginner like me, this is going to be so easy, so bomb. What I'm gonna do is just run my flat iron through it to knock some of these bumps out from shipping, and then I'll be right back, you guys.
Time
with my final thoughts from this cute, perfect bob for summer from BGMgirl hair. And I must say, I find that because I have so many wigs, I find myself in the title saying, super beginner friendly, the most beginner friendly. No, y'all, this really is the most beginner friendly. I didn't put any powder on this. I didn't pluck anything. I didn't glue anything. I literally took it out the pack, put it on my head, and ran my flat iron through it haphazardly, and this is what we got. This is the quintessential throw in and go of human hair wigs. I 1010% can recommend this one. The bomb thing is I got it in this little short bob because it is hot. But when I went and I looked on their website, again, they offer this wig in tons of links. They even have this wig in different like curl patterns. So I definitely recommend that you go and check this one out. The other thing to write home about is when I looked at the pricing on these units, it is extremely affordable. So y'all know I'm all about ease and affordable. And this wig definitely checked both of those boxes. So I definitely recommend this one, y'all. Like I said, looking at the description box, you'll see a direct link to this wig. And don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon. Bye.